The man of the moment, Okayakyie Afrifa Mensa, Bemaba, Masters of Law degree holder from University of Connecticut. It was Obedru Ghana Hanomo. Obedru Kotoka International Airport. Ama supporters ni bebrebe any Agona himfuni bi akohia ne kwai e wo terminal 3 Kotoka International Airport. Bema nkyeremu no akyere wa adwene e de ama me. E wo comment section. Hi PENYAH Block Media. Mesra say any day mu. Obe like video no da ma subscribe button some click notification icon of latest update tam be kyere wa adwene de ama me e wo comment section. Oba so no chef for PENYAH bia hwe. You know, last year ni mo ana Afrifa 80 na echi kakra okopiem e wo USA. Ni nyan say onya scholarship after graduating from GAMPA, Ghana Institute of Management and Public Administration. GAMPA owie ho no mo no. As a school of law. Owie ya na wonya first class or pass with distinction. The first class no. Onya scholarship to Yukon University USA. Afrifa e ko ho no mo last year cause school no e pusti GAMPA school e pusti Afrifa scholarship no e be kire ya na e dia dance. E ma wo ho no mo no na oposti pictures any videos e dia dance ye se Afrifa e wo USA born trainers na o sua de. Na o sua na eye 1 year pay because eye 1 year LLM course and okoye ho no just a top up it 1 year pay na ekodi school mo no. Emma enche bia obeka say obe sure obeka say enche bia obeba Ghana. That is less than about 2 months. In 2 months oka say obeba Ghana because e ho no awo wo ho no money ade na obi close Emma that day no kra no asem eba ho. Na o sua just this Sunday twam ye and Afrifa a china the week nyame ncha de owie Yukon University just ne 1 year top up course na okoye no yeah nyame adom or the aquarium Emma that day no 18th May 2026 no Afrifa graduation
Afrifa and some
Emma after graduation there was a party a course so e wo ho no
foreign lawyer, a local lawyer, where I am a for lawyers, where I am a politician for lawyer, where Osaya only be a lawyer, or a lawyer of all angles and circles. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we celebrate a fantastic superhero, a young man politician who is graduating today as a new Master of Law. He's a lawyer by profession this time. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Okayakyie Afrifa. Let's welcome yes. Okayakyie Afrifa. That's right. Here comes the hero. The new master of law. Our very own lawyer. The latest lawyer himself. The fantastic iconic man. Very well. Okayakyie Afrifa. I'm ready to go wrong. Okayakyie Afrifa Mensah, my lawyer, your audience.
All right, thank you very much. I'm sure you're ready to China. All right, so Samike. Nana Atakra Ameniampo. Our year New York, Asante Forhine, and the overlord of Northern America. Then there, BBT, Mede Okayakyie Dom, Akademi home. Okayakyie Dom, Nana Atakra Ameniampo.
Piao, Nana Okaso.
Dr. Akwesi Amankwa Ampofu, chairman of the committee of this event. Ladies and gentlemen, all protocols observed. Nananum, I am a was and then Bijina Modi. Na Bijina Modimwa, and so be Titia. Umfem was so base man a num equity near New Komobi. Yedikai. I want to start tonight's conversation with a story. Let's have a story, you know. The Professor Kramer when he said that a year degree from Master of Laws, University of Connecticut. So, Santiago to make up of what's been the Professor Kramer. Also, don't want to be then a common minimum in Yensha see free story to me of the Seneca. Maybe na minimum seminana and a Dr. Kwesi Amankwa Ampofu. Menana pa. Seminana lata and the war no name ame. Nanema maybe war no. And a me na me you in the was Santiago. Menana Quabenina as when you kakra when you ban. I want the dear Mensia at the same Thomas. Memena no. Akonya ene ni chuo ana mteso abekura ene me ba ye no me ne nana ni di nkomo bi ebra be mu se me nana no yi di nkomo ne ko ani mu kakra na me kire ne kwan ye fa so abepie kanadikana ene kwan ye fa so no ekura me hunu no e se na me nim se me hunu no ye ko ameniampo ayi ne 1 week yi what we want ne ka papa bi so wono etwi Sabre no an was in a good chinica or fresh safo. Na safo freka, can also when you didn't go. Make us end up very
Emma you come school no crown e post FIFA set ya omde man say certificate of congratulations proudly presented to Okayakyie Afrifa Mensa, Master of Laws LLM, US Legal Studies Human Rights Concentration. On this remarkable achievement, we celebrate your dedication, discipline, and determination in successfully completing the Master of Laws LLM program at the University of Connecticut School of Law. As a homo, edit such an honor of the certificate we emano. Now, no, be a translator that benefit for a that benefit for because we are school. And I feel Ghana Haman for affinity that benefit and there was your enra. Anna, through the corridors of gossip, Minya alert is a PENYAH. Every Fabeba Ghana and next Saturday. Me na me yawe. Me de na me yawe. Aye. Na me yawe so eba Ghana Saturday. Na me yawe. It does enra. And me link is every fa. Ne flight bibia ya oba. Every fa about to fly or to plane mu eba. It no mo pa. So person be share ni bia bloggers no you can come and meeting by me there me na. Be ya mo no. Mabe kumase eti mensa akwa akra me nkuduru ntem eti ma nkobi ma nko angosia no kwa eti na no pay no and the bloggers ni bi any some of the MPP supporters any Agona Chief ni bi ekobo dumping at the forecourt of Kotoka International Airport the terminal 3 e ho no mo omkobo dumping e ho no mo
Atadia mi se blogger. Me bushina mi. Me ofana mu be.
Remember Tangachi. Actually, if was situation, they send this signal. At the amount was said, such a new battle or back, no bad life and call it. It is already here. Okayakyie Afrifa for 2028. For 2028, and no appearance. Then my banner within a chino. What I say, such a Baba.
As I say, she are not near the energy and in the coffee. She said, there, medical canoe. My hima, grandma hima, and a suma said no. And I walk off audition and a funny bra. I don't see any for her. Oh. Honor dear, yeah, Cassa, a man to more, yeah, Aponano. The Bishi are a war, and you saw, and said that to be a Baba, or so yet. It's a why I didn't say Bravia, a word anymore. Original said, original said, oh, yeah. Aqua parliamentary seat. It's a Pambia or Fast over one. Abraham Bia, say, let's say, over to me up one. And I wouldn't say, a Bimusha PPT shirt, ever had. Yes, sir.
No pay. I come at Jima watch every cry and comedy. But the kingdom of Jesus Christ is arriving in airport. It's coming. That chain, the Grigor of the Graga, the white skin, for the records. That chain, I will be able the Grigor man, Okayakyie Afrifa Mensa. It's in a year. Yeah. What's your idea? Okayakyie the Kaya say, Manakwaba, Nyansanya, Wakodi Nyansa Bagana. Yeah. Or a degree. Degree, I find a splash and cricker. Yeah. Until and at 2028, you're banning Sekakano. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, no more do so. Go for some more Omsabeko Musica. Come here, Pipi, we love you. Pimpia.
Chief President. Aye, serious. Such a Niba. I don't know an echo. Number one. We have one tax. One tax. Obiani home. Yeah. ya ko ma nipa bebre e no ma ba eti samia mi boja mia mi ni ba ya ka ti le korodo encore forever encore mia mi bia ba na who say man ode who say man de ode wa ya ko ma ma ko ma you get papa ti mia mi bia ba na you get papa owo me you no go see owo so obia ni onti e ko one touch who say man ode agrafo so di ni tum na agrafo for
finally Okayakyie aba betru Ghana. Bema baba bedru Ghana. Obedru Ghana. I see ano. Enche bia na se odin show no eye for the records na. But once Ghana ha no na spice room. Na no na manfo bu ya say na si Kevin Taylor so kura no. Da be no so we school. Momu ni mu na Kevin Taylor we school. Ara mu nya we. We oh. Kevin Taylor we. We with Master of Insult from NDC University of What Insult. Congratulations to Kevin Echo Taylor. Well done. The world can't handle your level of insult. Who knows where we school? Etimu amoka na onzo kura master's degree. Timunya abotre ni afifa nkwa ne kura bi. Kevin su kura master's degree. Because now I was saying so PENYAH minya abotre timi ye certificate ma Kevin ta because I say omu ya yi ni mu ase mu gu na ni mu ase sa say Afrifa be coach ko wi onso nkonwie ase mu gu na ni mu ase. Etimu ya certificate Kevin me dwono me pe wase. Oh me yada. Tima ye set e dia make we tell so we Master of Insult is also a degree holder and I say in insult chere wadwe ma Afrifa beduru enche bia me say bia quarter either tomorrow or Monday there or the first show e be ba bontene say ye na oba me fa na live ama wahwe bi na ewia ya said the Hong Kong until then I PENYAH Block Media we ta chere wadwe ama me e wo comment section Accra.